We finna get ready to clean them up because they got stuff all on the floor because they flapping their wings around. See, look, they like when I come around. They love me. Y'all calm down. They got boo-boo everywhere down there. So I'm finna clean all this out and I'm finna replace it with, we got some fast absorbing paper pellets. You know what I'm saying? They can't really eat on these, and if they do, they'll be all right. So I'm gonna get ready to clean this out, y'all, and show y'all that. They love when I come around, boy. Y'all love when I come around, huh? I just come and, you know, put them outside for a little bit in nature. You know, I just let them see around, hear the birds while I clean their cage out. They so beautiful. Yeah, so I'm gonna get back to clean their cage out, y'all, while they have fun and enjoy this fresh air. All right, so I gotta clean up all the little hairs and stuff around. Then we gotta go in and clean this out, replace some of it, not all of it. Some of it could get replaced, some of it could get reused. Yeah, our birds live good. I don't know about y'all. Our birds are very spoiled. I don't know about y'all birds, but yeah. We finna get back to clean up. And it's their little to-go cage. When they're ready to go places and we want them to come with us, we put them in there. They good to go. Put some water in there. See, they got their water bowl. And we control the food, as always. So yeah, that's how it go. It's back to clean up, though. So now it's time for me to clean this up. All this boo-boo and doo-doo and yeah. My boys done upgraded from little old raggedy little cage. Now they got the dome. Yeah, them boys chilling. Ooh, boy done upgraded. See, this is why I like my new bird cage. It's easy to clean. You know, when I put them in, boom. I mean, this here, I like this too, but it's small. This thing here. Watch when I put them together. Watch this. And this is the, yeah. That thing there look way better than that one. Yeah.